Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kidders Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda 6 Classic Wagon. Stock reference number 4775. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. There's a left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.